Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage your YouTube channel using YouTube Studio in 2026. So if you want to upload videos, track analytics, manage comments, and grow your channel professionally, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, open YouTube Studio and sign into your YouTube account. So this is your main creator control center. Next, look at the dashboard section. Here you can quickly see channel performance, recent uploads, and notifications. So open the content section to manage your videos. Here you can edit titles, descriptions, thumbnails, and privacy settings. Now go to analytics. This helps you understand views, watch time, subscribers, and audience behavior. So use the comments section to reply to viewers and moderate discussions. Audience engagement is important for growth. Next, open the customization tab. This is where you edit your banner, logo, featured videos, and channel layout. So check subtitles and copyright sections regularly. This helps improve accessibility and avoid content issues. Now open settings to manage upload defaults, permissions, and community moderation. So this makes channel management more efficient. Finally, upload consistently and organize your workflow. Professional channel management helps long-term growth. And that's how to manage your YouTube channel using YouTube Studio in 2026. Once you understand the tools and workflow, growing and managing your channel becomes much easier. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more YouTube tutorials.